BJP has now been training guns at the AAP Sarkar in Delhi. Shahzad Poonawalla says that this is not negligence, this is state-sponsored murder that has taken place.
Death of 26-year-old UPSC aspirant Nilesh is not negligence. It is state-sponsored murder. It is criminal. And Aam Aadmi Party government is responsible for it. Just a few days ago, when Delhi was completely waterlogged, almost 5 to 6 people lost their lives. But what is the priority of Aam Aadmi Party? Press conferences, blame game, and rescuing their chief minister from allegations of Sharab Ghotala, who continues to shamelessly be the CM from inside Tihar jail. Today, Mr. Kejriwal must resign.
Well, we wouldn't also want the viewers there who are watching the broadcast to call us in and share your point of view, because such kind of civic apathy incidents can be reported from anywhere across the country. We have Priyank joining us at this moment. Well, Priyank, as far as this incident is concerned, it could have been anyone, and this time it was Nilesh who became the victim of electrocution of an open live wire.
Yes, Study Amita, and the manner in which these incidents are happening on the streets of the national capital is very alarming. Just after a few hours of rain, this kind of situation is happening, which is certainly showing that the maintenance work was not done before time. 2 weeks back, we saw a lady who was going to meet her son who was being treated in the hospital, succumbed to injuries, died because of electrocution. And 2 days back, this is what has happened at Patel Nagar, where UPSC aspirant has also died. So it is a known fact that Delhi could have witnessed rain, and that could have resulted into waterlogging. And even after half an hour or 1 hour of waterlogging, the maintenance work is such poor that these kind of deaths are reporting in the national capital. And we are not talking about outskirts of the national capital. We are talking about these posh areas of Patel Nagar, where a student has lost his life. You can imagine the scenario which could be there at slum clusters or those illegally, unauthorized colonies, where the conditions of the electric supply and everything is not in place. So certainly this was an alarming thing. We have witnessed this in the past also. So national capital, the Delhi government was not prepared for this kind of thing.
Well,
it's quite clearly
Priyank, we have seen it playing out so many times, and especially at this part of the year when there are rains, when there are monsoon, and unfortunately this becomes a vicious cycle of blame game that happens. Who exactly is the one responsible for the accountability? Action would that be taken, or would there be multiple inquiries that will be called for? Remains to be